So, hello everyone. Thank you so much for the love you've shown us over this past 1 month since we launched our luxury bitters, Odogwu bitters. We thank you for the love, for the patronage, for the creativity, for every activation, for every creative and every skit you guys have made. We love you. Please, very important, make sure that if you want to pay for Odogwu bitters, make sure it's a Cubana trading and investment company account. And if you want to do for pay to a distributor, make sure you have a video call before you pay. A lot of ugly stories happening. We don't like that. We don't want to be scammed. Please, we are working tirelessly to make sure Odogwu gets to every part of the world, every nooks and crannies of Nigeria, of Africa. Keep it.
Actually, an opportunity for everyone to know that it's actually a product that does not endorse fake buyers. Now, if you want to get in contact with Odogwu bitters or any of the brand, you can reach out to me and I'll make sure I give you the direct contacts of people who you will trade with. Now you've heard from the COO. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy the video.